To prepare the disc to go on the lathe, this face must be absolutely spotless because this is the reference one, mainly because that goes onto the hub. While I'm at it, I thought I'd clean the holes out. The brake dust has got in the holes and the holes are blocked, so I'm just in the process of just cleaning those out. You have to do also clean this face up as well. So this one is going to be ready to go in the lathe very soon. Right, so this is how I've machined my front discs. I've got a Kerry 13-inch swing lathe. These discs are 320mm. The idea first, before I took the discs off, was to mount a E-class hub, brand new hub. That was 25 quid, so no real money at all, and it's already machined to fit. Stick that in there, do it up, square it up, and then attach the disc to that, and then I was able to machine. Unfortunately, the disc is too big, so I haven't got the depth. So scrap this one. Next we move on to part 2. So moving on from that, what I've had to do is use one of my sacrificial front plates, and I've actually set up a locating bolt. Get it the right way around. So that sits in there. This sits on this, and then I've tapped 4 holes to PCD. So the next one is I'll show you it mounted. This has got to come off, and then I'll mount the disc. So the facing is all done. To give you an idea, what I did was I dialed it in on this face here, so this is all nice and clean, to get that within about 0.1 of a mil, 0.2 of a mil. There's a little bit of fluctuation on the mount points, so I had to take that into account. So I've literally just, as I say, it's just a face off. But what I'll do is I'll start it up and I'll give you an idea of how this is machined, because I was quite surprised how far out it is. So that's the actual casting. So when they cast it, then they faced it off. It obviously doesn't sit perfectly square, or the casting itself is not perfect. So, I mean, what have I taken? 0.2 of a mil off, if that, 0.3. This really wasn't a lot at all. Anyway, so next turn disc around and do the other side. So this is how far the disc out is on the back, so it's both sides. Now to machine that other side. So after spending some time dialing it in, it's pretty much there. It's a little bit, but that should be enough. Right, so this is my first pass, and it's literally just a touch coat, so I'm just facing off. There's a couple of marks you can see there, so I'll give it a little bit more. But I really, honestly, I just really haven't touched it a lot. It's not that far out at all. So final pass, and then that's it.